Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be opening a ginormous poppet with 2 extra fidgets. Let's get started. Let's open the bag. Okay. I think these are neon, so we're going to open this first. It's tie-dye. It has blue, white, and purple. So let's open it, and it's a fidget spinner. Let's spin it. Wow, it spins good. I hope you guys can hear that. That's so cool. I love the tie-dye and it spins so nicely. Okay, so now we're going to be opening this cupcake, and it has cupcakes on the cupcake top, and it comes with a keychain if you want to hang it up on the back. So let's open it like this. Got it. Oh, this cupcake poppet looks cool. So here's the keychain. It's silver, and you can just like pop this small part out. So let's pop it. It's so pretty. It has dark pink, light blue, and blue. So now we're gonna open the ginormous poppet. Let's go. And it has neon colors. So it has light purple. So it has like a kind of like a dark purplish color, a light blue, a neon bubblegum pink, a neon green, and a neon clear yellow. So let's get it open. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. So here it is. It's super cool, and it's kind of tie-dye because it's like half colors here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to pop this, so I'm just gonna pop this much and flip it over. Oh wow, that's so good. And I love the colors, and it has 260 bubbles in it. That's so many. Let's just pop the purple and then flip it over and pop the other side. It's so soft and smooth. Okay, let's pop this side. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to like, comment, and share, and comment down below if you ever had a big poppet and how many colors it had and how many bubbles it had, and hit the notification bell so you can enjoy nice videos like this one. Bye!